Hi there, this is Vasco, and I wanted to record this short video to show you that I just got a client to be featured on Yahoo Finance. This is his link. I'll probably need to hide a bunch of this stuff. Of course, this is a no-follow link coming from Yahoo, but that's not really our goal here. Our goal is to get exposure and powerful links, and no-follow links are still powerful. But yeah, I just got him a feature on Yahoo Finance, another one on Bezinga, Seeking Alpha, MarketWatch, FinanceNet.net, and a bunch of others, around 400 actually, 400 news networks, news outlets. And this was done using this service right here. And yeah, I just wanted to record this short video to show you that, in fact, it is possible. And this is sort of a promo video to this service to some extent. Again, if you want to buy it, you can. If not, I don't want to force it down your throat. But yeah, just a cool thing that we've been able to achieve to this client. He actually wanted to promote his tour business in Hawaii, which is pretty cool, to be honest with you. If I ever go to Hawaii, I guess I'll have a go at his tour service, because it really seems like something that's really interesting and really fun to do. And yeah, if you have a business or if you have anything that you want to promote, this press release service can be of great value, because these get, of course, as you know, all these sites get a bunch of traffic. So if you have something you want to promote, press releases are definitely a great way of doing so. And if you care about SEO, all these links from all these super authoritative websites, and again, it's 400 plus news sites, all these links will get you some link juice flowing through your site and make your authority skyrocket, because these are links from websites that have amazing power. And yeah, that's basically it. If you want to grab it, make sure to do so between today and the 30th of July, because I'm running a $500 giveaway. I'm actually doing a sort of a partnership with Omer. He does sell niche edits. So basically what we're doing is, any order you make on Vetted from any seller, from any service, you're automatically entered to win $500 in niche edits from him. And these are amazing. I mean, I've worked with him in the past. These are all do follow, of course. According to Ahrefs, they have a DR of 20 plus. All the sites have a 1,000 plus traffic per month, 300 plus referring domains. You can check here the samples by yourself. Again, I don't want to push this down your throat, but if you want to do it, you can. Like I said, anything you buy from Vetted from today until the 30th, you're automatically entered to win the $500 giveaway. And it's basically any service you need or want. So it could be this one, could be this one. The price doesn't really matter. It's just the amount of orders. And yeah, I thought it would be pretty cool to show you this, that we got him featured on Yahoo Finance and a bunch of other sites. And if you want to get that done, if you want me to get that done for you, you can click the link in the description, or just go to vetted.com and click on this service right here and order this one of these packages, whichever you'd like. And again, any order you make on Vetted, you're automatically entered to win the $500 giveaway for the niche edits. And yeah, thank you so much and have a nice weekend. Cheers.